Winston, what's up, boy? You gonna faint if I run at you? Oh, got him. He got scared and fainted. Leave that tortoise alone. Look who we got here, guys. Tank, the big boy. Trying to dig out, but he can't. Oh, yeah, man. We got the vlog back busting. Cal ain't been vlogging lately. Cal lazy. Cal don't want this shit. No. Man, look at this bullshit. This bitch wasn't sturdy yet, cause I had only framed that bitch barely. I ain't even finished. Fucking neighbors. I'm trying to be nice and cut the fucking grass and broke my shit. I ain't tripping though. You know. Anyways, look at all these damn birds. Them birds look really good, but check this out. So, the grass grew back way greener where they were boo-booing and picking through and eating it. I don't know if y'all can tell. Y'all definitely can tell. Now, I gotta get a HD camera. This the bogus-ass iPhone, but you can definitely tell that section is greener. And then that's gonna grow back the same way. And then that. We're gonna move it over there and bring it back this way. Let's go show y'all Winston. I'm scared the shit out of that nigga today. Play the clip, nigga. That shit's hilarious. Oh, man. Let me check on these burgers, y'all know. Young nigga got chef it up. At the bacon cheeseburgers busting right now. Oh, shit, I gotta flip these bitches, actually. Obviously, they gonna be overweight. I told y'all them bitches was rescues. The people that had them fed them bitches all type of wrongness. Just wrongness. Look at that turkey. Ooh-wee. Yeah, boy, my animals is white as fuck, boy. Look at that. Y'all saw them Cornish crosses? That bitches was white. Look at that turkey. Them niggas white. You know why they so white? Cause daddy loves them. What up, Winston? I got food for you. Psych. Oh, fuck. I tried to trick him. I got food for you. Give me a face, boy. It just started drizzling, man. It's supposed to rain all week, and then it rained all last week. This shit look good as fuck, huh? I gotta, get to this wood pile. Do a, decorating reptile enclosures video with these big-ass branches. But don't this shit look good? Still got the green grass besides right here. Nigga Stanley was just running back and forth, fucking the grass up. This nigga done fucked the grass up all the way right here between him. Winston done ate everything right here. Tank not slick, his ass back there. He been eating all this shit up too. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, these guys too, we gonna move their enclosure real soon. What we got? We got Rico right here. Rico, Stanley, and Schmidt. But they not gonna be back here long. We got the pigs back there. When they get bigger and used to us, we gonna put them in here. They just need to get used to us. We're really gonna do another one of these, probably the same size behind it, where I can rotate them back and forth and give this grass a break so that it can grow back, all that good stuff. Cause man, them animals fuck the grass up, man. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I'm cooking right now. I'm making lunch. I'm working hard, man. I got my ass beat by a donkey yesterday. And then when we got to our friend's house yesterday, we had to catch the pigs. So that was crazy. And that donkey beat the shit out of us though. Like, ooh-wee. That donkey got us good.
Definitely got to live with Betty.
Hmm?
The Betty and spray out her straight in.
Definitely. I'm finna clean all that bitch up right now. I want to try an experiment. I gotta look up more about it. But this little birdie got out. Oh, that's a guinea right there. That's a peacock. Is that a peacock? Oh my goodness, they just following me. Oh man, they follow me everywhere. They love me. They love me. They love me. Oh. Alright, let me catch this bird. Alrighty.
We should probably take some out now.
Some hay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take some now.
Oh, well, not right now. We need to find a place for it. Where you gonna put it?
Oh, I'm just gonna put it on the other side. I could wait though. I hear him.
I think they're all over there, I think.
Yeah, my boys, what's up? Oh yeah, I'm touching you. So, we got the emu. And we're also trying to tame down some feral piglets. So, there's two. There's another. And there's a really big one. Oh yeah, see? So, those are the 4 piglets. And these piglets we have are Julianas. So, they won't get huge. But our friends had way too many. So, they gave them to us for free. They're supposed to catch the other 3. We tried to catch them and just couldn't. But Anissa went to go get them water because y'all know she's a mommy. Oh, I stepped in and they took off. Now, these guys don't play. They're really mean. Like, they'll bite the shit out of you, anything. So, we just brought them some more food. And we're using this for water for now. But, yeah, man. I'm gonna get closer to these guys, and when they get bigger, they'll be able to go in here. Hopefully they won't eat our birds. Just kidding. They were with a lot of birds and goats and all type of cool animals, so they won't. And man, look at that. Big boy. Alright, vlog, we got a bunch of cool animals around us. I was gonna do a video, but I didn't finish writing it all down, so we're gonna get a few more tomorrow. I was just gonna do Chico's video tomorrow, but now I'll do their last video and Chico's. We did 2 table videos today. Oh yeah, I'm rubbing Rico. I'm rubbing you. I'm rubbing your neck. Oh yeah. But it's really Anissa's fault. She was supposed to write everything down on the notebook, and she didn't, so.
It's always the woman's fault.
Always. All right, YouTube.
Dang!
Oh, my bad. Alright, man. Time to go edit. I got 3 videos to edit. Roll up, baby. Oh, wow. Rico. Give me your face, boy. I got it. No, I knocked it out of his mouth. I knocked it out of his mouth. Rico, ow, bitch. Can you take this? Can you take this? My nose getting wet. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be a bitch, but damn.
Oh, it's getting wet?
Yeah, you shithead.
Who put it up there?
Me.
Oh, you shithead. What the fuck? Get the fuck back.
Oh, man. Okay, so which one of these guys do you think will be the biggest? Oh, no.
You gotta go hurry up and do that.
Oh, no.
With the,
No. No.
Notebooks that I wrote in for a whole year got rid of.
No. Yeah, that really must have sucked. He's following you. And this one, too. And Winston.
Winston loves his mom.
Winston don't even know you like that. Just kidding.
You trying to say that white woman is his mama? That's what you're trying to say.
His previous owners. Yeah, you should be more careful opening this.
Oh, this little girl.
Oh, shit. We got an escape artist.
This thing is fucking scammy.
Yeah, because these guys will run away and never come back.
Stanley's hungry.
Stanley. Oh. Is that cool or what? All right. Let's see. I'll give it a banana. Here.
No.
There's so much going on. Oh, that's cool.
Straight to the
Oh, she put the mail up here. Oh.
Maybe she won't.
Alrighty, YouTube Shorts. What's good? We got the 3 emus who have a really expensive shed that they could go be under, but they decide to be back here. They like being in the rain. Oh yeah, they don't care about dad spending money. Look at that. Somebody got up. Oh, another one's getting up. Come on, girl. What's up? She getting big, ain't she? Alright, hopefully these birds are all smart enough to go inside and they'll make my life easier. Since it rained, if they're all in here. Puppy girl is back there. Yes, sir. All the birds are in the tractor tonight. Thank you guys, y'all really helped me out. Yes, you did. You made my life easier. Oh.